Hey everybody, I got this 2015 Ford Escape with the 1.6 EcoBoost Turbo. So in this video, I've already started what I'm doing, but I'm actually going to be replacing the ABS module on this vehicle. So the ABS module is what failed on the vehicle, so I'm going to replace the ABS module. So the ABS module is going to be this electronic portion here, the black portion here. That's going to be the ABS module connected to the hydraulic pump. So my goal here is, well, in this vehicle, the ABS module has failed. The hydraulic pump is functioning okay. So I'm going to replace the ABS module. As you can see here, here's the new piece. I got it used. And we're going to go ahead and replace it. The pump is okay, so we don't have to bother with the bleeding procedure or anything like that. This is what the customer wants done this way. Personally, I recommend to do the whole thing. You know, with the whole pump and everything, just replace it all 9 yards and go ahead and do the brake bleeding service. But it's going to be more expensive and more time, and the customer wanted to be budget friendly on this one here. So anyways, this will apply to any 2013 and up Ford Escape or Ford Kuga in the European markets. So I've already started. I'm already knee deep in the work. You got to replace. You have to remove the wiper blades. You're gonna remove this cowl that goes right up here. Very easy to do. These bolts for the wiper, it's gonna be 15 millimeter bolts. You remove them, and you move the wiper by moving it up and down, and it's going to come right out, as you can see right there. Then you remove the battery, and then you remove the battery tray, and then you can access this ABS module. And you're going to have the Torx. I'm going to show you exactly. The Torx screw right here. This one's going to be, I think it's going to be a T15. To remove the 4 screws on that. Some vehicles you're not able to do it that way. You have to replace the whole thing. In this case, it was not the case, so it's all good on this one here. Now, when I replace this, it's not going to be easy plug and play. I'm going to have to reprogram it. So I don't have the tools to reprogram it. I have a buddy of mine that has a Ford computer to do the reprogramming. So all I got to do is just replace the part, take it to him, and he's going to reprogram it. The vehicle should be functioning normal. So the symptoms the car was having, you got the ABS light on, airbag light on, a couple other lights on. Steering wheel has a little bit of additional heft on it. Speedometer does not work. And the codes, the scanner was reading the codes, ABS module no communication code. That's usually a tall tale sign that it's bad. So with the diagnostic procedure, I was able to hook up the scanner. We got communication from all 4 wheel speed sensors, and there was no codes for that. It just means that the ABS module is not able to convey the information to the PCM about the speed. So internal fault on the ABS module. So once I hook up the scanner and I drive the vehicle, all 4 ABS sensors, the speed sensors, are reading the appropriate speed. The cruise control always also works as well. That tells me that the speed sensor part of things are okay. This is going to be an ABS module fault. Car does not have ABS and anti-lock brakes at the moment. The wheels seize up if you push the pedal very hard. And there you have it. It's already knee deep in it, but I realize you cannot find the video for this one here that explains properly. And I'm not saying that I'm explaining it properly, but I'm trying my best. This is my first time attempting this, so I didn't bother to, do like a step-by-step video from the beginning because I wanted to know if I can do it or not. But it seems like it's pretty self-explanatory. Just try not to lose any bolts or anything. That's apparently, I lost 2 bolts right now. But I was able to find one that I need. And also, I lost one of these screws because it fell in the bag. Very tight spot. But the new one comes with 4 additional screws, so I'm okay on that part. So there you have it. Thank you for viewing my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Any questions, let me know down in the comments below. Catch you guys later.